morning.
Yeah, hi, Vice President. Radha, just let Naresh and Prabhu check if everybody on the AUM is there on the meeting.
Prabhu?
Did we check DG Sudip Mukherjee from Calcutta? Radha?
Yeah. I did not find him yet.
Okay.
Mohammed
Dr.
Jadwat,
Georgie and Faisal has joined.
yeah, they are there. They are there. They are there in the Port Blair Center.
I think
Rotarian
Mr.
Mohammed
Jensir,
Jadwat.
all of them are there.
Excuse me, one second, Viniji. Rotarian Mohammed Jadwat, can you just check if your DG is there? Jadwat ji? Okay, Naresh ji, at 10:27, you're good to go.
Okay.
And just mute everyone. And Prabhu, Naresh, as you start at 10:27, also start the cloud recording.
Sure.
Thank you.
Yes.
I think,
Naresh, I will be starting.
yeah, Prabhu, I think you have to do the recording. You're the host. Okay, done. Good. Good to go, Radha.
So, very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The roads are empty, the malls are empty, but at Rotary Club of Guindy, we always care for the community, and you all are assembled here this Sunday lovely morning for one such event, a very, very grand event. Let me take pride in inviting and welcoming all the officers from Rotary International, our PDGs, Rotarians from all over the world, Rotarians from all over India, and our own District 3232. Warm welcome to everyone. Do you know? We all know what is RCG. Today, RCG becomes ACG. Do you all wondering what? Yes, Andaman Cares Club. Yes, RCG has become ACG today. So once again, I welcome all the guests who have gathered here this morning and over to our technical team for a very beautiful video of our club members. Naresh, check for the audio.
Prabhu, volume, please. Prabhu, there's no volume.
so wonderful to see our own members on Zoom today, isn't it? Once again, welcome to Rotary Club of Guindy's inauguration of Rotary Tanker Dialysis Center of Pilla Hospital. The high-end dialysis equipment, our signature global grand event in the presence of a Rotary International President-elect Rotarian Shekhar Mehta and our own DG Muthipani Appan and DG Rotarian Sudip Mukherjee and the founder Dr. George Abraham. Welcome you all once again. Now, may I request our President Sharath to call himself and call the meeting to order.
Friends, very good morning. This global grand meet of Rotary Club of Guindy is now called to order.
Thank you so much, President Sharath. I call you as a pandemic president. You're doing a wonderful job during this point of time. Now let's start the meeting with seeking the divine blessing. May I request our Rotarian, Green Rotarian, T. Ram, to invoke the blessing.
Namaste. एक मंत्र जपते रहो श्याम 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 राधे श्याम 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 मन वचन हृदय से उसकी वंदना करो आंसुओं के फूलों से अर्चना करो सुख करता दुख हरता दुख हरता सुख करता कहो करे प्रणाम श्याम 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 राधे श्याम श्याम श्याम
Radhe Sham Sham Sham. How beautiful to start the event like this. A big round of applause for us, Sri Ram. And now I call upon past President T. Sridhar to render the four-way test.
Oh, good morning, all. The four-way test of the things we think, say, or do. Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendship? Will it be beneficial to all concerned? Thank you.
We have another name for T. Sridhar. Do you know? Four-way test hero. Thank you, Sridhar. That was wonderful. And now I call upon Rotarian Madan to render the thought for the day.
I thank President Sharath and RCGS for giving me this opportunity to present the thought for the day on this grand occasion. The thought for the day. Your greatness is not what you have, it is what you give.
That was short and sweet, Madan. Thank you so much. Now I invite the man of action, our Rotarian President Sharath, to welcome the gathering.
A woman was traveling alone in the mountains, found a precious stone in a stream. The next day, she met another traveler who was hungry. The woman opened her bag and shared her food. The hungry traveler saw the precious stone and asked the woman, give it to him along with the food. She did it so without any hesitation. The traveler left, rejoicing in his great fortune. He knew that it was worth enough to give him security for a lifetime. But a few days later, he came back to return the stone to the old woman. He said, I know how valuable the stone is, but I give it back to you in the hope that you will give me something even more precious. Give me what you have within you that enabled you to give me the stone. The old woman smiled and said, in quotes, the joy of giving. Welcome Rotary International President-elect Rotarian Shekhar Mehta ji, DG Rotarian Muthupalniappan of RID 3232, RID Rotarian Sudip Mukherjee of 3219, Rotarian David Clark RID 9685, Rotarian Ambalavala DRFC 3232, Dr. Georgie Abraham and Mrs. Lata Kumaraswamy of Team Tanker Foundation, Sister Jensia Mary of Pillar Hospital, Dr. Sanyasi Rao, Dr. Tyagarajan and team, our wonderful sister clubs who are part of this impactful project. Rotary Club of Chatswood, Sunrise, Australia, Rotary Club of Penang, I can see Dr. Jaya, Malaysia, Rotary Club of Grand Bay, Mauritius, Rotarian Isabella, Rotary Club of Port Blair, Rotarian Faisal, and our own family member, we call as our own sister club, but they are our family, Rotary Club of Alosetar, Van Abraham and members. Thank you to my club president, to my club members of Guindy, my co-presidents of RID 3232 and around the world, and galaxy of PDGs, and friends and families across the globe for joining us today. A warm welcome to one and all. I offer my deepest gratitude and appreciation to Rotarian Haran Ramachandran of Rotary Club of Hills Kellyville, RID 9685 for his support. My pillar of strength and strength for this project, past President Venugopal, past President Kadir, who started planning this project way back in 2019. And we really wanted to do a project, set up a dialysis unit in an area where the need is so huge and where people are not ready to set it up. The generous donors from my club for this project, Dr. Santosh Jacob, past President Venu, past President Kadir, President-elect Motish, Ishwar Murthy, Kritika Madhu, Rafiq Mohammed, and Jamima Jaya. With your support, this dream has been achieved. My association with tankers started in the year 1993. I was part of Leo Club of Parktown, and we did the first fundraising for tanker by doing a movie preview show and raised 1.5 lakhs for them, and subsequently another movie preview after 18 months. That association of ours is now bearing fruits in Port Blair, Andamans, to help the communities there. I'm sure Lata and Dr. Georgie would recollect that event. I would like to thank Rotarian Vasanthi Ranganathan and President Vishwa of Rotary Ambattur for introducing me to Rotarian Dinakaran of Port Blair, and subsequently got introduced to President Faisal, past President Mohammed Jadwed. Their contribution in terms of support for this project has been phenomenal in terms of finding a water source in the hospital by digging a well, an RO plant, plumbing, electrical, and all the support for this project is truly a blessing. They are more than a sister club. They are part of our family, our RCG family. I take this opportunity to thank each and every member of Rotary Club of Port Blair. Friends, as we all know, this Rotary year is coming to an end. Let me just sum up our projects for this year very quickly. 55 wheelchairs to Soul-Free Thiruvannamalai worth 7 lakhs, 4 global grants worth US dollars 4,30,000, 6 dialysis machines in Savita Hospital, rural Chennai worth USD $48,800, 6 dialysis machines now being inaugurated at Pillar Hospital worth US dollars 48,800. Project Orange to prevent blindness, 16 centers worth US dollars 2,75,000. Project submitted and amount also sent. Rotary Cares, fight against COVID-19 supporting VHS Chennai in Taramani, US dollars 57,000 submitted and amount paid. A boys' home at Sevapet, a project worth rupees 15 lakhs being inaugurated coming Wednesday. Donated 800 grocery kits to Rotary Feeds to the needy during the lockdown. Each kit contains provision for a family of 4 for 15 days. The project cost rupees 4 lakhs. Rotary Cares, a heart-touching food feeding program of our club for the last 1 month of lockdown. Till now, we have served happy meals to a tune of 35,000 plus. Had more than 20 big fellowship meetings from October 2020 till April 2021 during the non-lockdown period, utilized every moment and every day, improved membership, bonding, and fellowship, grew the club strength from 97 to 107, organized Jean Harris Volleyball and Throwball Season 7 Carnival for the Rotary family of our district, RID 3232. In-person Interact and Rotaract Raila started a new series of award called Paropakari Awards month on month. The chief guest for every award function were the who and who of Rotary world, and the awardees were meticulously chosen. Friends, I'm not able to recognize one and everyone present here. Thank you all for coming to this inaugural function. Friends, our club theme for this year is Joy of Giving. Let me tell you honestly, this year was truly a year of joy of giving. Thank you, one and all. Thank you. Enjoy the meeting. Back to MC.
Thank you, President Sharath. You have 10 more days left. It's not 10 more days. You're going to do the work of 10 years. Wishing you all the very best. Now, I take pleasure in inviting and welcome Professor Dr. Sanyasi Rao Gadela to talk about hemodialysis care and the need in Port Blair. Rotary Club of Guindy welcomes Professor Dr. Sanyasi Rao Gadela.
Good morning, everybody. I'm honored to be here, and I thank very much the Rotary Club as well as Dr. Raji Abraham for giving me this opportunity to be here and among this august gathering. I know Dr. Raji Abraham as his student, so to say. So our association goes such a long way, and it is remarkable. His Lanka Foundation has been doing such a wonderful job down the years. And this Port Blair hemodialysis center inauguration is part of the same project. And I wish him very well, and I wish him to continue to do his endeavors in future as well. Regarding the hemodialysis facilities in Port Blair, as everyone knows, hemodialysis has a life-saving potential. And luckily for the island citizens, the government and the administration has taken remarkable steps and initiatives to make this facility available. And the journey started sometime in late 90s. And since then, it has been going on a very, very satisfactory rate. So much so that even the remote islands do have the facility for this life-saving potential treatment available to them. And regarding our own center in Port Blair, this is catering to approximately 150 to 150 patients, and we are proud to say that this facility is available round the clock, 24/7, which is not the case with many of the government hospitals. And at this juncture, I'd like to mention the whole program has taken off. Again, Dr. Raji Abraham had a very important role to play. Dr. Q. Shankar Singh, who was here late 90s, he started this program rolling. And Dr. Raji Abraham, his helping hand has been there ever since that time. And it is no coincidence really to say that Dr. Raji Abraham continues to be associated with this island welfare of the island citizens. And Dr. Q. Shankar is instrumental in late 2000 onwards, and since then this program is going on very well. And addition of these private facilities to the government facilities is always welcome, as everywhere else in the world. Each has its own place in delivering the service to the needy population. And I thank again the Rotarian Club as well as the Shankar Foundation to have made this available to the citizens. And Pillar Hospital has a great role to play as a private institution, and is catering to the population and their needs very well. And I wish them well, and I promise to extend all cooperation that is possible to them at any time of need. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Service to mankind is service to God. Thanks for those lovely words, Dr. Sanyasi Rao Gadela. Now, may I take pleasure in inviting Dr. Tyagarajan Tandavam, PhD, to talk about history of our association with Andamar Islands. Rotary Club of Guindy invites you, Dr. Tyagarajan.
A very good morning. A very good morning to everyone. To all the dignitaries of islands and also from the mainland. I'd like to share my slide. Hopefully everyone can see my slide.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So I thank Rotarian Mr. Venugopal. We were planning this program in the year 2019. Then Dr. Georgie was insisting me to go there to Andaman to see. It's for many years we were planning. And the first dialysis mission was sponsored by Dr. Georgie Abraham in the way in 2000. Then later on, when I went there and we started the projects especially for this Andaman group. So this was in the year 2002. And from 2002 and May 2004, I was there in this island to develop, along with me, the great support of Dr. Shivashankar Singh, who was really helping the poor people who needed dialysis and everything. So we were developing this concept and we started the dialysis. And then slowly, when it was like a first dialysis and maintenance, so even I'm from the technology background, so I used to do all the maintenance of the machines and everything. And later only I came to know that even for every procedures which I'm not eligible to do, even then also I started to do because of to serve the people and support. Then later I started what is the real course and qualifications is needed when there is remote areas are there in across India. So I created a syllabus in MSc Renal Science and Dialysis, and now many people are getting trained under that course, and it is one of the registered course in the government of India, and I'm sitting member board for the India. Then what is ethics? What is a clinical information we need to give it? So we created a concept called because after 2004 I came back from Andaman and back to Chennai. Then I started this course and I completed this course. Now many students are there. But every time when I was a student from 97 till along with Dr. Georgie used to always insist me to support the poor people, help the poor people. And he always donate many things. So even still now I donate only my knowledge compared to giving money, but as much as possible from my side. Even now I'm traveling across the global to see what is the real value, what's happening in the abroad, East African countries and West African. I can see that still no private dialysis has still started, and still the people are suffering in many countries, which I can now. I created a concept of even now I became an ethics committee chairman, and I'm a professor, I'm a clinical auditor and a business entrepreneur. So I learned this ethics committee. Now we in the ethics committee as an assessor, we are creating a concept where and all we can have an immediate quick approval and give a support to a poor people without any complication, everything legal and ethical. That is a major concept. So even now from the profession of dialysis tech, now I become a ethics committee chairman. It's a long way to read and qualify, become a lawyer, medical lawyer and everything. So one important thing is still now in government of India, we have many protocols, approvals and everything. So that's a thing which is going legally, and it is nowadays it's expediting compared to what we have seen 10 to 20 years before. Now we are going into very fast direction to get approvals and everything. So it's a great honor to be here, and I thank everyone for giving this opportunity. My friend Nikhil, who was there when I was in Andaman, we both worked together. That means he used to support me during when I was in Ireland, because it's very new to me and alone, and he was the one who supported me during the thing. And thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Dr. Tyagarajan, in your speech, you told that you are donating only your knowledge, but let me tell you that is God's work. Wishing you more and more, Dr. Tyagarajan. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Now, may I take the pleasure in inviting Mrs. Lata Kumarasamy, Managing Trustee, Tanker Foundation. Over to you, ma'am.
Morning, everybody. Thank you all for this program today. I think there is a video to be shared. Are we sharing
Yes,
it or shall
yes,
I
ma'am.
just
Yes,
talk?
yes, we are.
Fine. So Tanker Foundation, Tamil Nadu Kidney Research Foundation, was founded by Dr. Georgie Abraham. His humility and dedication was an inspiration for everybody. We all got together, and like-minded people got together and started Tanker Foundation to reach out to people with kidney disease, because at that time there wasn't much being done by the government and private organizations. So we started in a very small way, humble beginnings. Family and friends came forward to help us, and gradually we grew over a period of time. Here I have to say that we've grown to 11 dialysis units. We have reached out to over 1,500 patients. We do dialysis for 640 patients now. We do over 6,000 dialysis every month. And we've also given away almost 3.5 crores by way of one-time contributions. Here we have to say that all this is because of help from family, friends, from the Chief Minister's scheme, from Greater Chennai Corporations, Rotary, Freemason, a Roundtable, Ladies Circle, and so many other individuals and corporates who've come forward to help us. Here also I have to mention that Dr. Georgie is such an inspiration that he went to Imphal in Manipur and he wanted to help there. And we set up a dialysis unit in Imphal in Manipur along with the Catholic Mission Hospital. We are associated with Kerala Kidney Foundation, where we help them and contribute towards free and subsidized dialysis in Kerala. We also helped set up an HIV unit in Parumala. In Tanzania, when Dr. Georgie went, he realized that there was no machine in Tanzania. And in Dar es Salaam, in the General Hospital, and we raised funds and contributed to Tanzania also. We do screening and awareness in Venikulam, which is Dr. Georgie's village and hometown. We also have a dialysis facility in MGM Pondicherry. There's a lot. We've done awareness and screening programs because that's very important. Prevention is better than cure. We have to say a big thank you to one of our very dear members, Mrs. Rajalakshmi Ravi, who's taken the trouble with her team to reach out to over 2 lakh individuals with awareness programs and screening camps, over 36,000 people for early detection of kidney disease. So I just want to convey our eternal gratitude to Rotary Club of Guindy, especially President Rotarian Sharath and Rotarian Venugopal and his whole team. Mr. Sharath, we are so grateful that when we started our first fundraising program, you were part of it. And we're so thankful for that. And thank you for being with us today. We want to say thank you to all the Rotary clubs who are involved, all the Rotary International presidents, the Rotary International, the Pillar Hospital, Sister Jensia Mary and her team. Of course, Dr. Georgie Abraham, who's an inspiration to all of us, our trustees, advisory members, Dr. Tyagarajan, who took care of the first dialysis machine, which was donated to GB Pant Hospital. And he helped us and he's been with us always. So thank you, Dr. Tyagarajan. Of course, Professor Gadela, because he's going to help us in Port Blair. And I want to say thank you to our valuable staff and all the frontline workers, because through this COVID period, they've really risked their lives, gone out and reached out and done dialysis in spite of all the troubles that they faced. We call our staff the angels on earth. They're all the walking and living gods, and we're so grateful to them for this. Of course, I have to say thank you to all our family and friends for their unstinting support, and of course to the press who have supported us right from day one and encouraged us and given us an opportunity to do more. So if I've missed out on anybody, I apologize, but I just want to say that we are so grateful to each and every one of you. And, for this project is something which is Dr. Georgie's dream, our dream, and it's definitely going to benefit the people of Port Blair. Grateful thanks to each and every one of you again. and again and again.
Thank you, Lata ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Lata Kumarasamy, for your kind words and such a beautiful gratitude message for everyone who is involved in this project. Wishing you most and more. Now, may I take pleasure in inviting Sister Jinsia Mary to talk about on Pillar of Health of Pillar Hospital, Rotary Club of Guindy. Welcomes Sister Jinsia Mary.
Good morning to everyone. This is the Director, the Administrator of Pillar Health Center for prayer. Respected Dr. George and the speakers, Mr. Shekhar Mehta, and all the Rotarians of Guindy as well as the prayer. A warm greeting and welcome to each one of you who are present here and whom we see in this week. The Almighty has done great things for us. Before I get started, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my God for His providence and constant support and inspiration in each and every walk of our lives. I extend my heartfelt thanks and appreciation to Dr. George for the first step for this project, and to all the Rotarians contributed generously to make this event come together to become a success. This was our dream. Today it has become a reality. Of course, this could not have done without all of your contributions. Just a few words about Pillar Health Center. Pillar Health Center is a charitable trust hospital owned and managed by the Sisters of Charity of St. Anne. It had a very humble beginning in the year 1976 when our sisters started their mission, reaching out to the sick brother and in this island, going their place and extending the healing. Today, after 45 years of service in this island, Pillar Health Center have developed with 80 beds, and very especially today with this dialysis unit. You have all been chosen to be a part of our association due to a mutual passion for each one and each one's vision and mission. I hope in the future your passion will help us all to wait and spend our energy together to work for the people of this island. People as leaders as well as we need you to continue our progress in this island. Once more, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you, and very especially to Dr. George, who is sitting here to me, who is the main source of this project. And of course, I can't forget the Rotarians of Guindy and Port Blair. And very especially, my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Devarajan and Mr. Malik, Nikhil Malik, who had been with us in each and every day, arranging for this day to come to reality. Thank each and every one. God bless you all.
Thank you so much, Sister Jinsia Mary, and we salute you for the work you are doing. That's God's work. Thank you so much. Now I want to the next important item in the agenda. DG, let me tell you, I'm going to miss this phrase. I'm really going to miss this phrase. You know what is it? Engal Muttana, Rotarian Sottana, DG Muthu Palaniappan. To introduce them, I request the technical team to play a short AV.
Rotarian S. Muthu Palaniappan, member of the Rotary Club of Madras Central Aditya. A civil and structural engineer from Annamalai University, he heads Chettinad Housing, a 20-year-old property development company which has a significant presence in Chennai, and Coimbatore. Rotarian S. Muthupazhaniappan hails from Chettinad and, true to his native land, considers philanthropy as an essential component of living. He did his schooling in Madurai, which is known to impart determination and commitment to beliefs of its proud residents. In addition, he had the fortune of being brought up in an environment where integrity and ethics were never to be compromised. That he has internalized these traits and wholeheartedly practices them becomes more and more perceptible as we take you through his Rotary journey till now. Rotarian Muthupazhaniappan joined Rotary Club of Madras Central Aditya in 1997 and became its president in 2009-2010. Rotary Club of Madras Central Aditya was awarded the highest Platinum Award and the Presidential Citation in that year. Rotarian Muthupazhaniappan has been visibly active in the district. He has held several important positions including SETS Chairman, Conference Chairman, Assembly Chairman, Club Service Director and Awards Chairman. As District Rotary Foundation Committee Chair, he served the district for 3 consecutive years. During his term, the gross contribution from the district to TRF was $2.15 million. In the year 2015, as District Chairman for Revive Chennai in a mega flood relief program, along with his team, he distributed relief kits worth Rs 2.2 crores and helped rehabilitate 6,500 families in just 30 days. He has been the official aide to many visiting RI dignitaries. In recognition of his service to the district, he has received many awards and recognitions and is also a recipient of the Meritorious Service Award by the Rotary Foundation in the year 2016. Rotarian Muthupazhaniappan has attended the Rotary International Conventions at Bangkok, Seoul and Hamburg, and also the 2013 Rotary Foundation training held at San Diego. He has traveled widely across the globe. He is married to Kamala, who is the managing partner of Wood Style, specializing in residential interior decor. She is the serving Silver Jubilee President of Inner Wheel Club of Madras Central Aditya. They are blessed with 2 daughters. Neeti is a final year medical student and Mrinali doing her final year of schooling. Rotarian Muthupazhaniappan and his spouse Kamala are March Clump Society members of the Rotary Foundation. His contribution to the Rotary Foundation till now has exceeded $250,000. Rotarians, please welcome District Governor S. Muthupazhaniappan.
Welcome, DG. The floor is yours.
President, Rotary Club of Guindy, my good friend Sharath Kumar, Rotary International President-elect, the pride of Rotary India and Rotary International, Shekhar Mehtaji, my good friend and batchmate, District Governor Sudip Mukherjee from 3291.
Good morning, Muthu.
Good morning, good morning. Welcome to 3232. Dr. Georgie Abraham, founder, Tanker Foundation, and Lata Kumarasamy from Tanker Foundation. DRFC Ambalavanan, District Councillor and past District Governor ISAK Nazar, District Secretary Ramesh, Balachandar, Secretary of Rotary Guindy, Ananta Sainan, Foundation Chairman for this club, Dr. Vishnu Srinivas, Director Community Services, Dr. Sriram, District Chair for Community Service, Rotarian Ramanathan from Malaysia, my good friend, and members of other partnering Rotary clubs across the globe, especially from Australia, Malaysia, and Port Blair. my dear T20 presidents, secretaries, district officers, members of Guindy, fellow Rotarians, aunts and aunts and other invited guests, good morning and vanakkam. I'm always reminded of our own Rotary International President-elect, Shekhar Mehta. In his very own words, he used to say, service is the rent we pay for living on this earth. Service is the rent we pay for living on this earth. Think big and act big. This has been my mantra throughout my life, and more specifically when it comes to Rotary. Giving back to the district which elected me as the district governor, giving back to the Rotary. When I mean Rotary, Rotary District, Rotary India, and Rotary International, when we do this, we naturally give back to the community that we are expected to serve. All my T20 presidents for this particular year, in spite of the pandemic, have really excelled in doing this in great measure. I really mean, I have been in Rotary for almost more than 25 years, but in my experience, the amount of service that we have done during this pandemic year is really phenomenal. If I start rolling out the statistics, you will really appreciate that. This has been happening across many clubs in my district, and Rotary Club of Guindy has been in the forefront in doing this in large extent, I would say. When I say the figures, yes, Guindy has filed global grants for close to $4 lakh this year. And one grant is $2.5 lakh, which is Project Orange. Another 3 grants equal to $50,000 each, out of which 2 are dialysis centers. One already inaugurated in Savita College of Medical College in Chennai, another one being inaugurated today. Such is the scale of the program that clubs have undertaken, and I should appreciate Rotary Club of Guindy for taking up this wonderful initiative this year. When Dr. Tyagarajan spoke, he was telling that I have been all along helping projects and other activities by sharing my knowledge, time, effort, and talent. My dear Dr. Tyagarajan, this is what is the need of the hour. A lot of people have got money to contribute, but they are only looking for a good cause. They are only looking for people like you to believe and then start supporting. The simple statistics again speaks about the volume of work done by people like you. There was a study conducted by Johns Hopkins University to find out what is the actual value of the work being done by the Rotarians in addition to the contributions given by them. Every year we raise around $400 million for Rotary Foundation, including annual program fund, polio fund, restricted fund, and every fund together we collect around $400 million. Is it the amount that goes into the projects? No. The study conducted by Johns Hopkins University came out to the astonishing figure of $800 million worth of manpower being put in by friends like you, Dr. Tyagarajan. $400 million cash contribution plus $800 million of manpower put in by volunteers like you. Added to that, $1.2 billion worth of projects are being executed by Rotary Foundation. This is only through Rotary Foundation. There are clubs which are doing projects without seeking the help of Rotary Foundation. That is another astonishing figure. I'm not going to talk about now. We are talking about global grants, Rotary Foundation. So $1.2 billion is equivalent to 9,000 crores worth of project is being undertaken by Rotary Foundation channel. This is the Rotary, we are all members. Having said that, in this year, particular year, our district 3232 has embarked upon many global grants. We have attempted more than 25 global grants this year to the tune of $2.5 million. And we have raised close to $1.5 million towards foundation. Because of the global grant that we have applied and submitted and got approved, we were able to raise substantial cash contribution to the tune of $1.2 million. And today we stand at number 1 in our zone in terms of contributions to Rotary Foundation, thanks to all the global grants, including the one that is today being inaugurated.
DG, I would like to tell you that our Rotary International President-elect Shekhar Mehta has joined now.
Welcome, Shekhar.
Ladies and gentlemen, pride of India, pride of Rotary International President-elect Shekhar Mehta has joined now. Let's all welcome him. Over to you back.
Welcome, for this wonderful morning. I began my speech saying that service is the rent we pay for living on this earth. and think big, act big. The two mantras of yours has inspired leaders like me. And today we are able to roll out the statistics which will really prove that we have been good at this in this particular year. And this particular year has been a challenging year, but we are able to achieve a lot of things by thinking big and acting big. You have been a great source of inspiration and strength for all our district governors. Thank you, Shekhar-ji. This particular project of Orange, which our Rotary International President-elect is quite aware of it and taking his advice and the cue, we have embarked on this project. And when I say think big, act big, do a program not only for your clubs, not only for your district, for other districts, for other countries. Yes, this project has reached other districts, other countries too. We are doing this project Orange across 200 locations, involving as many as 8 of our own districts. 3170 is part of this, 3070 is part of this, 3000 is part of this, 3201, 2981, 3220, 3231, 3160, all are part of Project Orange. Project, it's even coming up in Jammu and Sri Lanka. So this is the power of thinking big, acting big, and designing an impactful program project like Orange. So 15 partnering hospitals, who is who of all India, is part of this Project Orange. And this is going to go miles, and the total fund that is required to complete this mission is 3,000 crores. To put up 20,000 vision centers across India, as per the Vision 2020 document, we need 3,000 crores. In a way, I would say we are able to reach out to 30 crore of funding with these 200 vision centers in this particular year. This will go on in the coming months and years with the support of the Rotary International leader, Shekhar Mehta-ji, and others who are present here. So having said this, we have a long association with dialysis. Today we have Tanker Foundation, which we started more than 10 years ago. One dialysis machine being put up at our in Chennai.
Your technical team, can you mute the people, please?
One dialysis machine was inaugurated during my year of president in the year 2009 at the Aarti Scan Center in Kilpark. I saw George Abraham and Lata Kumarasamy present there. That was a small beginning Rotary had in association with them. Today we are running so many dialysis centers with the support of Tanker, and coming week we are going to inaugurate yet another dialysis center with 10 machines at the Thiruvattriyur Government Hospital, 10-bedded government hospital in Thiruvattriyur. We are inaugurating 10 dialysis machines with the support of Tanker Foundation and the Chennai Corporation at a cost of around 90 lakhs. Such is the partnership with Tanker Foundation. They have been a great support for Rotary in terms of reaching out to the patients who are in need of dialysis. Today, we are inaugurating a center in Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar Island, thanks to the district and the club that has supported and other partnering clubs across the globe. Guindy is a club known for taking significant steps in terms of reaching out to the community. Today's initiative of reaching out beyond the district, Chennai, and reaching out to Andaman, Nicobar Island under the leadership of Sharath Kumar, Venugopal, and the Rotary Foundation Chair Ananda Sainan and others who are very active in this. My appreciation to all the members of Guindy and to Tanker Foundation for this initiative. This is yet another milestone in our district in terms of reaching out to the needs of other districts across India. This will continue. We have set a new trend now. We will continue with this good work. And I would like to thank each and every one of you for giving me this opportunity. This has been a pleasant day for me. And this center is going to be a role model center for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, DG, for your wonderful
Thank you,
words.
DG. Thank you, DG.
And I once again welcome our pride of Rotary International, Rotarian Shekhar Mehta. A warm welcome. To formally welcome you, may I request our President-elect Motish Kumar to take it over.
Good morning to one and all in the August gathering. Welcome to our RI President-elect Shekhar Mehta-ji. I am very proud to be a Changemaker President under the leadership of our RI President-elect Shekhar Mehta-ji. He joined Rotary at the age of 26 years. When everyone started earning, I think he started servicing. He became DG at the age of 40 years. He is the 4th RI President-elect from India at the age of 62. And I think we can call him as an young RI President-elect. His guiding principle, as our DG said, service is the rent we are paying. What more we can expect from a real estate builder all over India? I think I can able to understand being a builder what he says. Service is a rent we pay because the real estate, the earth is the richest real estate in the world. I think his parents know him that he was fond of service when he was born. S for service, S for Shekhar Mehta. What S for our RIP is S for success, S for service, S for skyline builders, S for shelter box, and S for Shekhar Mehta ji. Friends, to know more about our pride of Rotary India, we request to play an AV about him.
Please don't. Can I request you to please not play the AV? We don't have the time. I'll have to leave in 10 minutes time. So
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, RI President-elect Shekhar Mehta ji, for being here. And we kindly request you to address the gathering and also declare the project open for the public. Thank you. Floor is yours.
Good morning, everyone. It's absolutely a delight to be starting the day on a good note, and that is inaugurating a project like this. And that too at a place of which I have such great memories that probably there hardly goes a speech where I do not mention about my experience in Port Blair. If they ask me what are some of your best memories, my visits to Port Blair and the Hut Bay Island are definitely one of them. So friends, it's absolutely a privilege to be amongst you all and do this project. Inauguration. Thank you, Mohammed, for inviting me. It's wonderful to be with all of you, although I can't see all of you. I can see quite a few of you. Sharad Kumar, congratulations to you. Port Blair is an outstanding club, I'm aware. Even 15 years back just after tsunami, it was only this club which could have done the work at Hut Bay, what they did. Outstanding work, absolutely. Still have great friends there. And it's absolutely a delight for me to be here with Sudeep and Muthu both here, both the governors, who's, of course, Sudeep, it's in your district, and Muthu, your district Rotary Club of Guindy also has participated. So I compliment both Rotary Club of Guindy as well as Rotary Club of Port Blair. Dialysis centers are outstanding projects that we do right now. There is so much need in India, and poor people can really have problems if there are no dialysis centers at affordable rates. And to have it at Port Blair is definitely a boon for the people there. It is such a big help to the community there. I compliment each and every one who's associated with this wonderful project. Special compliments to Rotarians of Port Blair. I know they are not attached to mainland, so they don't have the same advantages that the others do have. There are challenges, and yet you do such great work. Each of your presidents has been outstanding. To the incoming president, Motish Kumar, I say, yes, let's do big projects. This is another example of a big project, Sharad, that you have done. I'm sure Motish will also do bigger projects. So M से Motish Kumar होता है और M से mega projects होता है. Okay. So keep doing. M से Muthu भी होता है, हाँ? और M से Mukherjee भी होता है, Sudeep का. So that is why all these mega projects are happening. So keep doing this wonderful work. Very happy to be among so many of my friends. I will have to log out. There is a live interview that's going to go on different channels, and I'll have to be there in just next 2 minutes.
Another 5 minutes, sir. Another 5 minutes.
I don't have the 5 minutes.
Oh my God. Okay.
I mean, this program was supposed to be at 9:35. Now they tell me that it's live on 4 TV channels, so I have to be there quickly. So let me just inaugurate. I'm extremely happy. Let me tell you, my own club did a dialysis project this year, and I understand the value of it, and I was deeply involved. I got inspired by a project when I went to District 3040, I saw dialysis centers, at least 40, 50 machines they had put, an excellent center. So I came back, my own club put up a center with about 15 dialysis machines. And I'm happy that, how many machines do you have here? 5 or 6?
6 machines.
Six machines. Yeah, wonderful, excellent. I think this is great work. So the compliments to you. The numbers of dialysis machines in your district is growing, which is very nice. We have a big target at India level to achieve, and I'm sure थोड़ा थोड़ा करके हम सब करेंगे तो जरूर पहुंच जाएंगे उस target.
Sure.
Thank
you for your time, sir. Thank you for your time.
Can you just dedicate the project open?
Yes, I am privileged absolutely to inaugurate this project and we open it for the public to use. And I wish this project all the success. And thank you, Mohammed, once again inviting me. It's absolutely a delight to start a Sunday morning with such great work. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shekhar Mehta ji, for joining us on this lovely Sunday morning. It's made more lovely by your presence. Wishing you most and more. Thank you so much for gracing and inaugurating this mega global grand project. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Radha, over to Prabhu, over to Port Blair.
Where is Faisal? Faisal, come. So first you have to unmute. And sister also. You have to hold my Faisal. First unmute. Oh, this one. Okay. For the sake of the people of Andamans and Nicobar, on behalf of Tanger Foundation, Rotary Chennai, and all the people who are supporting us, irrespective of caste, creed, everything, I'm just going to open, with your permission, this dialysis unit by unveiling the flag. I want you here. Please come. You are sannyasi, man. Come. Sister. Come, father.
Yeah. Yes.
Your blessing is needed.
Okay.
Come, hold it.
Thank you, sir.
Have you? So show the facility. No. You have to record in. Yeah. Singer and Gadela. And sister is, what happens to sister? Sister.
That was a wonderful inauguration. Here is the name board plaque of the inaugural. So where all the partner club members are mentioned and in the presence of all the dignitaries here. Welcome once and all. Over to you, Radha.
What a sight to look at. We have used the most recent technology, Zoom, to see the most wanted service to the community. That was a fantastic sight to look at. Thank you so much. And thanks everyone who are part of this project. Now it's time.
Ma'am, this is Sudip Mukherjee, District Governor 3291.
Yes, sir.
I have to leave.
I was about to call you.
Oh, thank you.
So now it's time to listen from DG Rotarian Sudip Mukherjee, Rotary Club of Guindy. Welcomes you, DG.
Thank you. Was it required?
Okay, Prabhu.
Sir, a small intro about you, sir. Yeah, Radha.
Sir, is it required at the fag end of the year?
Sir, we don't know you, sir. We at least want to know you now.
Okay.
Yeah, Radha, over to you.
Please.
Over to Kadir.
Over to the technical team.
Kadir.
Okay.
Yes, I'm ready. Yeah.
May I request our trainer Kadir to do a short introduction about DG Rotarian Sudip?
Absolutely. Thank you, MC. Thank you, President. And it got a great opportunity to introduce our RA District Governor 3291 City of Joy to Joy of Giving project. It's a great coincidence. I'm very happy to introduce our DG Sudeep Mukherjee from 3291. Rotarian Sudeep Mukherjee belongs to a second generation of Rotarians. His father, late S.K. Mukherjee, was a charter member and second president of Rotary Ballygunge. He himself is a charter member of Rotary Ballygunge and attended district Rotary Conference of then 329 at Dhaka at way back in January 1981. As past president of Rotary Lansdowne, he has served our district in many capacities. He was assistant district secretary twice. He served as assistant governor administration thrice and assistant governor service twice. Apart from this, he carried out his responsibility in capacity of chairman, district publication and zonal coordinator, district committee member, etc. He is multiple Paul Harris Fellow and was adjudged outstanding assistant governor thrice. He has received Avenues of Service citation from Rotary International. He did his schooling and college from St. Xavier's, Kolkata. He did his post-graduation in Operation Research MBA in Marketing. He's a second-generation entrepreneur engaged in manufacturing specialized chemical and food processing equipment, catering to CSIR, ICAR, IITs, NITs, Ministry of Defense, Food Processing and Agriculture, Department of Atomic Energy and Biotechnology, etc., all over India. A recent achievement has been manufacturing equipment for the first time in India to produce engineered health rice in collaboration with the Educational Institute in India. In this connection, the company was awarded at the 9th International Achiever Summit at Bangkok, Thailand. He is a life member of Eastern Chamber of Commerce. He is a member of Calcutta Club Limited. As a sports enthusiast, he is a life member of Cricket Association of Bengal. We love you, Sudeep sir. And a member of Mohan Bagan Athletic Club. An avid music and theatre lover and a film buff, is a life member of Calcutta. And attended several film festivals in India and British Film Institute. He is better of Sumita, Montessorian and B.Ed, teaches in one of the most reputed schools in Calcutta. Their only son, Senajit, has been a road-tractor. After passing MBBS final and completing internship in currently attached to a super specialty hospital. We welcome you, DG Sudeep Mukherjee from City of Joy.
Thank you for the kind introduction. Good morning, all.
Good morning.
National President-elect Shekhar Mehta ji, my batchmate Governor Muthu. Muthu, please convey Shumita and my regards to Kamla ji. The officials of Tanker Foundation, and of course, the President and the members of Rotary Club of Guindy and all other Rotarians present. It's more than a joy of giving when a club of another district does service projects, in another district, 3291. This is what Rotary is about. Well, it's being at a personal level, it's been a real pleasure because I was the assistant governor of Rotary Club of Port Blair. And I also thank my president Faisal and my district advisor, Mohammad Jadwid ji, for giving all the infrastructural support for this dialysis center. I wish you all the best, and in the future, even as PDGs, I'll be in touch with my batchmate for more projects to come. Before I wind off, just on a lighter note, sir, Guindy is a very known place to me because I have got clients like IIT Madras, AC College of Technology, Anna University, as well as Central Leather Research Institute, Guindy. So Guindy is a very known place. Next time I visit, I will visit your club.
Sure, sir. Welcome, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, DG Rotarian Sudeep, for your short and lovely speech. Next time we will have more words from you. Thank you so much.
Radha, you can also tell them we will also visit the City of Joy.
Definitely.
Yeah, please do.
We are waiting.
Yeah,
We will be doing that soon.
please do.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
you. Thank you
With
so
your
much.
permission, I take leave. I am Muthu. I am taking leave.
Yeah, bye.
I have to go for a project. Yeah.
Thank you so much and best wishes, sir.
Thank you.
Now I move on to the address by our founder, Tanker Foundation, Dr. Georgie Abraham. But before that, I would request our past president, Rotarian Venugopal, to introduce him formally.
Illustrious dignitaries, Rotarians, aunts, annex, invitees, and friends. It's my singular honor and privilege to introduce a believer, a practitioner, a teacher, a humane being, Dr. Georgie Abraham. Dr. Georgie Abraham is the consultant and director of nephrology at Madras Medical Mission, Chennai, and professor of medicine at the Pondicherry Institute of Medical Studies. From 1996 to 2008, he was the professor of medicine and consultant nephrology in Sri Ramchandra Medical College and Institute, Chennai. He was and is an invited faculty in 34 countries, external examiner in Malaysia and Nepal, visiting professor at University of British Columbia University, Vancouver, Canada, and at Bratt and London Trust. He's a peer reviewer of national and international medical journals. He is on the editorial boards of Peritoneal Dialysis International, Hemodialysis International, and Parathyroid. He is the editor-in-chief of the Indian Journal of Peritoneal Dialysis and South Asian Journal of Nephrology, Urology, and Transplantation. He has 307 publications, authored and co-authored in national and international journals, written 26 textbooks, chapters, and 262 abstracts in nephropathology. Naturally, he is the recipient of many, many international, national, governmental, medical councils, industry bodies, and Rotary awards and recognition, including the prestigious Charaka Award from the Rotary Club of Guindy. He is the founder trustee of Tanker Foundation, Tamil Nadu Kidney Research Foundation, Tanker, in 1993, and KKRF, Kerala Kidney Research Foundation, in 2006, to provide free and subsidized dialysis, provide free and subsidized kidney disease treatment and transplantation, prevention of kidney diseases, and to support research activities related to kidney diseases and publications in national and international journals. You must be left wondering, where is the time in a day, week, month, and in a year to achieve all the mentioned details, while there are many, many more achievements to his credit to elucidate. But friends, to me, a recent image in these COVID traumatized times I received on my WhatsApp of a doctor standing next to the bed of a patient and feeding him with a spoon. Of course, the doctor in the picture was none other than Dr. Georgie Abraham. Welcome, doctor, to address us, and thank you for your valued support and cooperation as always. Dr. Georgie Abraham to the august audience.
Chair, doctor, you have to unmute, doctor. Unmute. Yeah, fine.
Outset, Mr. Venugopal, thank you for that kind introduction. And I want to say namaste to you. Namaste means I see the divine in all of you. You are all divine people and sitting in front of me and listening to you. And on behalf of Tanker Foundation and my own family, I want to thank you for the privilege given to me to address you on this occasion on 28th June, Sunday morning, 2021 at the Pillar Hospital in Port Blair. Sitting next to me is a very close friend. We became friends in the last 24 hours. The Rotary Club of Port Blair President, Faisal Jadwar, and also the other members of the Rotary Club. And also I do have Professor Gadela and Professor Shivashankar Singh and Mr. Jansia and other members of the Rotary and the Tanker Foundation, people who are watching from India, and also all the Rotarians who are listening to me from across the world. Paropakarame Idam Shariram is the most important thing in Sanskrit literature. And there was a social reformer in Kerala called Sri Narayana Guru in the last century, who proclaimed that one God, one religion, and one caste. Kidney disease affects people, and there is an enormous burden of kidney disease in India. 17% of the Indian population do have kidney disease. And when you translate it into 101.38 billion people, you can understand. Port Blair, the Andaman has a population of 4.2 lakhs, and it is calculated, presumed that there will be 7,000 people with kidney disease in this island group. So, however, I started coming here on January 26, 1997 onward, and I have seen the hospital, government hospital at Port Blair, and Dr. Shivashankar Singh, a very close friend of mine, who is a simple, unassuming doctor who was working with me, and we thought that we should provide dialysis to people in Andaman. And the project went on well along with the help of Tyagarajan and Mr. Nikhil. And we started the dialysis unit with the support from Tanker Foundation and with the robust effort of Dr. Shivashankar Singh and later on Professor Gadela. They have built up a beautiful platform for dialysis in the government hospital, which has been already alluded to by Professor Gadela. And this is a beautiful thing. I have come here many times, and the wonderful people of Andaman and Nicobar, and they deserve the healthcare which is available to the advanced state in India. And I strongly believe that there is a divine grace which leads us to provide this dialysis treatment, which is life-saving to the people of Andaman and Nicobar. And also at the Pillar Hospital, I'm extremely thankful to the businessman, Mr. B.A. Kulian, who was instrumental in getting me this connected to Sister Jansia at the Pillar Hospital. And I'm extremely thankful for all the help given by Mr. Venugopal, Mr. Shekhar, and Mrs. Shekhar. Without a lady sitting next to Mr. Shekhar, nothing will happen. I believe that the lady is the strength of the man. And also Mr. Sudeep and also the Rotary Club President. If I have missed anybody, please forgive me for that. And Tanker Foundation will stand out for upgrading this to at any level. And my dream is that people from Andaman and Nicobar come to the mainland for kidney service, including kidney transplantation. My dream is that we should start a transplant center. Just about 2 months ago, we transplanted a patient from here, and then we came back here. And so I'm sure that at some point in time, we can do offshore transplantation for the people of Andaman and Nicobar. And I look forward to the help of Rotary in this. And thank you for giving me this opportunity. I thank everybody. And it was by God's divine grace that I was able to come here yesterday and to represent the Rotary as well as the Tanker and all the people from Rotary to be here with you on this very important occasion to inaugurate the dialysis unit. Thank you all, and God bless.
Thank you so much, Doctor. And you told so many times the word divine. Let me tell you, your appearance is divine, your speech is divine, all your actions are divine. Thank you so much for gracing this occasion. Now, may I call upon Mr. Kurian to do the felicitations.
Can we spotlight on Mr. Kurian, please? Is he there?
I'm unable to locate him. If you can speak, I can.
Okay. Sir, can you raise your hand? I'm unable to see you, sir.
Speak.
Please unmute
yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah. When you asked me to speak about that Kurian.
Yes, sir. Yes, it's Kurian of Andamans.
Yeah.
Anyway, PDG.
Also, so nice to be in Rotary Club of Guindy program. So whenever I have a chance to see any activities of Rotary Guindy, it's always my pleasure to be there, because many of you in Rotary Guindy, the way you're all active every year, it gives me immense pleasure to congratulate the whole team. I still remember when I was in the National Committee for the Disaster Management, how Rotary Club of Guindy rang or sprung to the occasion and said that you will give the shelter boxes all the way
so
to.
You have to be thankful for our past president, immediate past president Shivaraman, and past president Satish for taking the 20 shelter kits to Assam.
Yeah. And I'm telling you, it took only a few minutes or hours for you to confirm. And when our RI President-elect Shekhar Mehta ji asked for this project to get implemented, I can tell you the first club in India itself, it was Rotary Club of Guindy, who came forward and said that we will support this cause. So this is a great effort. The system, how your club is doing, not looking for east or west, north or south, India is the best. You Rotarians of Rotary Guindy are showing the way to all of them. So it's my proud privilege to attend your program today. And I'm sure you'll continue to do the same thing. And all of you in Rotary Guindy, your family members, all should be happy that you're having a continuous project of this way. Disaster take place. Nobody wants disaster to take place. But when there is a disaster, when you rise to the occasion and give, in our conference just now also, in our district conference of 3201, our former Minister Anbumani Ramdas, the present External Affairs Minister Muralidharan, they were appreciating Rotary so well just a couple of minutes back. Right now, Bharat Pandya is also our director, just spoke. Everybody's purpose in Rotary is in this, even in this pandemic time, is to help others. There might be problems everywhere, but Rotarians will overcome that anytime. And we happily do service with a smile. Continue serving Rotary Club of Guindy. We salute you. Please continue the great work what you're doing. And together let us enjoy serving Rotary more and more. Thank you.
Thank you, PDG Kurian, for your lovely appreciation and words. See, when it comes to the appreciation of joy of giving,
Brother, sorry to interrupt. Dr. Kurian is from Port Blair Dialysis Hospital is joining in.
Yeah.
We had PDG Kuriachan. Now we have Mr. Kurian.
Oh, that's nice. You see, there's another Kurian there. Thank you.
Yeah, please.
Thank you, Mr. Kurian, for the felicitations.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Naresh, has he unmuted?
Yeah, they unmuted.
Okay, Radha, can we go on?
President Faisal, where is Mr. Kurian? Is he there in the audience along with you?
If Kurian is not heard, I can read out a message which he had conveyed across.
Yeah, please, Venuji, go ahead.
Hello. Friends, on behalf of Mr. V.I. Kurian, he has conveyed his. I find Mr. Kurian is about to say something.
You want me to say something?
Oh, he's there. He's there.
Mr. Kurian, please, you are now audible.
1 minute, 1 minute. I'll spotlight him. I saw him. Yeah.
I am extremely happy that today the dream of Dr. George Abraham has become a reality. I take this opportunity to thank the Tanker Foundation and the Pila Health Center for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this momentous occasion. My connection to this project has been that I have located the hospital and coordinated with them to be able to facilitate the dialysis units to be installed. My hospitality and food distribution business has a 40-year connection with this island. Over the years, we have always followed the universal principle of giving and receiving, which is cyclic. And that's exactly our input as far as this event is concerned. It is a very generous act from the Rotarians who have donated the 6 dialysis machines via the Tanga Foundation. Dr. George Abraham, a close friend and my doctor, is a great pillar of strength in Tanga Foundation, and his generous heart allows him to help many people who are in the need of this facility. I would appeal to the business community in the island to share their prosperity for such noble causes, which is part of our social responsibility. Finally, but not the least, I take this opportunity once again to thank the Tanga Foundation for their generosity and the authorities of the Pilla Health Center for making it a reality. I'm indeed grateful to be part of this initiative, and I assure you of our support for any such noble cause in the future. Wishing all success to the Pilla Health Center. I'm sure they will take it to a greater height. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kurian, for your lovely words. And now we move on to Rotary announcements. May I request our Secretary Balachandra to take over.
Yeah, thank you, Radha. Good morning, friends. Today, our Rotarian birthday wishes. Today, our Rotarian Vishnu Srinivas celebrating his birthday today. And one more Rotarian, David Challappa, is celebrating his birthday today. And Anne Mary celebrating birthday today. And wedding anniversary, Panni Selvam and Jacqueline celebrating their wedding anniversary today. And important announcements. We have 2 important meetings this week. Our Rotary Club is constructed worth rupees 25 lakhs. Boys Hostel at Sevapet is a very big project. This handing over ceremony, opening ceremony will be on 23rd of this month. That is coming Wednesday. It's a very important function. I request all the RCGNs and guests to participate in the handing over ceremony. And one more meeting is a Parabagari Award. We have successfully completed 10 awards. Thanks to Radha Krish. It's the 11th award we are going to have on Thursday, that is 24th. It's a Parabagari Award. And final, this event is RCG 26 year comes to a fitting close with the Thanksgiving meeting on 30th June. So 3 meetings. Thank you, Radha.
Thank you, Secretary Bala, for those important announcements. Rotary Club of Guindy members and others, make sure you are available for the events. Okay. Thank you so much. And now, may I invite Rotarian Faisal Jadwat to give the vote of thanks.
On behalf of Rotary Club of Port Blair, we take the pride to thank ex-DG of our district and present Rotary International President Shekhar Mehta. Our thanks is due to District Governor Mr. Paniappan, District Governor Sudhir Kopaji, and District Governor David Clark. We are really grateful to George C. Abraham for his initiative and all support from Tanga Foundation and Pillar Hospital for providing all the infrastructure required. We are thankful to President Rotarian Sharad Kumar and the entire team of Rotary Club of Guindy for choosing one of the most remote settlement areas of our country for the landmark project, which is much needed for the islanders. We thank Rotary Club of Chatswood, Sunrise, Australia, Rotary Club of Penang, Malaysia, Rotary Club of Grand Bay, Mauritius, for donating the balance of equipment for island. Last but not least, a special thanks to Rotarian Dinakaran and Mohammed Jadwin who made the event a great success. We also thank the members of our club for constant support. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderfully said. Radha, just give me to thank Chair President Faisal and past President Mohammed Jadwin and past President Dinakaran, without whom this project wouldn't have taken off so fast. So President Faisal Jadwin, so after your lockdown is opened up, and we all from Guindy would love to come to Port Blair, see the project inaugurated and running successfully. I'm sure it will be running successfully, and we would also like to take a long due holiday break at Andamans. Thank you. Over to you, Radha.
One word to Nipro also. Nipro supported very well.
Yeah, Nifro, thank you, and of course everyone. And of course,
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you, Ramesh. Yeah, over to you, Radha.
Yeah. So President Sharath, friends from Andaman and friends from Rotary District 3232 and all the Rotarians, what do I call this as? A day well spent? A minute well spent? A second well spent? Yes. Every minute and second and hours and day well spent when we give ourselves to joy of giving. So let's enjoy joy of giving. Let's enjoy Rotary, and let's enjoy this Sunday. Over to the AV team for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind, and wishing you all a lovely Sunday. Thank you so much. Floor is open for the networking.
Thank you all.
I now adjourn the meeting. Now the floor is open. I can ask people to stop the recording as well, and also on YouTube.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Wonderful.